Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm at my mom's house. I'm installing this air conditioner for my stepdad. I wanted to make a vlog, guys, because I'm not doing anything. I just put it in there right now. I took out the old one. This is the old one right here. I didn't bring my truck. I got picked up because I thought it was gonna rain, but it looks pretty damn good outside. So I didn't bring the truck. I got picked up. I'm gonna do a review on this drone that my stepdad got for his job that he's gonna use for that. But he's gonna let me use it like one time to learn it. So I think he wants me to survey some buildings with it and look at buildings when they're getting finished, built, or started, so he can look at them better with the drone. And he wants me to use it so I can do that over there in Dallas where he works at. So yeah, after I do this, guys, I'll show you that. Right now I'm just gonna put these little L brackets that kind of go right there. Just gonna screw them in so we can just hold it. This is not gonna get screwed in there. This is sheetrock, but that's all I'm doing. Check it out, guys. That's how it's supposed to be. There's supposed to be one here in the center, but I'm not gonna put nothing right there, just like that. And then I'm just gonna stuff this in there, and that's it. And I'll show you guys the drone. The air conditioner's already put in there, guys. Now I'm just gonna stuff this in there. Ooh, it just kicked on right there. Everything's good. Just finished the air condition. It was making like a weird noise when the compressor would turn on. It would just vibrate, but it's fixed. This is what my stepdad got, guys. The Karma GoPro. It's just so he can do that surveying, and I'm just gonna test it out. Ooh. This is super cool, guys. I've never used one of these in my life. Put this over here. Alright. Damn, I need a freaking tripod. I still haven't gotten a tripod, guys. I think everything is charged. Ooh, this one has 2 batteries. I think, guys, I'm gonna charge everything because he used it when he was in Dallas. So I'm gonna or he just charged it for a little bit. I don't think he used it yet. So I'm gonna charge everything right now. Alright, guys, everything's charged. I'm gonna attempt to fly this fucking drone, man. Here, look. So maybe, I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna put the flight simulator because I don't know anything. Mia. Learn. Practice flying.
Nah, I don't think it's too windy. It's just a little breeze.
The guy said it was but when you go up higher, it gets more.
Well, then don't go up higher. Just keep it at.
Fly. Press and hold start button down to start motors.
3, 2, 1.
Tap to auto takeoff. Tap the thing.
Where?
The screen, I think. No. Oh yeah.
Ready to fly, press and hold the start button to start motor.
3, 2, 1.
Tap it.
Damn it, we don't know it.
What do you mean you don't know it?
Well, it's not, you see what I'm doing? It's not doing nothing.
3, 2, 1.
Tap it.
Tap this.
Yes. You tapped it before. Want me to? Maybe it's because you're not pressing the Press the thingies.
Oh. Oh, I thought I was doing this. Guys, it's a simulator on the thing. You're not flying that thing. Okay.
So it's just like you practice it. It's like a little game.
Okay.
Oh.
No, it's trippy. Hold on, hold it. Damn. Sorry guys, I was sneezing. Yeah, it's a little simulator. What's this? Where is it, Mia?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh. I'm scared to turn it on because it might So this way is that way. Now what?
Go back.
How do you go back? Return to you, right? Return to launch. You can use the joystick to maneuver around objects. Obstacles.
You could have done this inside.
No, it's too big, you crazy girl.
No, but like the little simulation thing.
Well, I didn't know. You didn't know either. We were all like, wow. Okay, now what? Ready to fly. Press and hold. That's the same thing. We gotta get out of here. Home. Oh shit.
Compass interference. Move to a new location or...
How do you do that?
I don't know.
Fuck, man. That's what I get from that fucking with it. I lost the instructions, guys, and I fucked up. I messed up really bad. I gotta move to a new location. Maybe sand pile is super flat. I don't know where to go with this thing. Maybe right here. Compass interference. Move to a new location Oh! He doesn't even know. Ah, dude, I don't know. I lost the instructions. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, guys. I had to calibrate it and do crazy circles. I should have recorded it. But I think I'm ready to fly it.
And press the button on the top. There we go. Híjole, that's scary. Oh my god.
Alright. It's too windy.
You think?
Yeah, it is.
That looks so cool.
There it goes. Now to turn it. This is thing is, how do you turn it? That's all I'm going. You hear the wind? You hear that?
Yeah.
It's
The wind?
The wind, it's too much, dude. Yeah, that's all I'm doing, guys. It's too much for the wind, guys. That's all I'm doing. I don't even think it's recording, but I'm recording it. But I'm not recording on the Karma. Okay, what did it say now to do?
What does it say? Well, maybe
Should I bring it over here?
Stop it, I guess.
Wow, look at that. It stays right there, dude.
Woo! Look at the wind.
Pancho, be quiet. How do you turn it? Damn, the GoPro's not even on. I think the battery died on that thing. How do I stop it? Stop.
Maybe you have to land it first, because like it's gonna fall from the sky if you do that.
Just to land. Dang. All right, guys. I flew it, guys, and everything. I don't think the GoPro was on. That's a freaking bummer, because that's like what you want to see. But at least I got it with this, my other GoPro. So maybe tomorrow, it's like a 72 chance of rain. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, gosh, that thing's huge. That cactus, dude. Oh, those are pretty. So yeah, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna get everything all set up, because I figured it out. I had to calibrate it and go in a circle and do all this stuff. And it was just, I was learning it. I lost the book, guys. I lost the damn book. I didn't lose it, I misplaced it. I don't know where I put it. And I'm gonna try to think tonight where I put it. I hope I left it at my apartment. I think I did. I remember I brought it. But I'll try to get some footage tomorrow, guys, of me, like, you know, drone footage, not me recording it, not me recording myself flying it, like actual drone footage. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow. I can do that, get it figured out right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.